Welcome to another massive mining operation, where the raw power of heavy machinery meets the challenges of the earth. Today, we bring you the Caterpillar 375 Excavator, a legendary machine in the mining industry, as it loads tons of blasted rock with unmatched precision and force. Operated by Soteriadis Labrianitis, this project highlights both the scale and the expertise required in modern open-pit mining. The Caterpillar 375 Excavator is a heavy-duty machine designed to tackle the toughest conditions in large-scale mining projects. Weighing over 80 tons, it combines sheer strength with advanced hydraulics, allowing it to efficiently load massive quantities of blasted material into waiting dump trucks. In this operation, you can see the excavator working tirelessly to move blasted rock, the result of controlled explosions that fracture the hard ground into manageable pieces. This process is essential for extracting valuable minerals and ensuring productivity in mining operations. The operator's skill plays a crucial role here. Every bucket load must be calculated, ensuring trucks are filled quickly while maintaining balance and safety. With each pass, the Caterpillar 375 demonstrates its durability, reliability, and performance, proving why it has been a trusted choice in the mining world for years. This kind of work site showcases the coordination between drilling, blasting, excavating, and hauling. It's a seamless chain that transforms solid rock into material ready for further processing. Without machines like the 375 excavator, large-scale mining operations would be nearly impossible. That was a closer look at the massive mining operation featuring the Caterpillar 375 excavator loading blasted rock, operated by Soteriadis Labrianitis. From the power of controlled blasting to the precision of heavy machinery, every stage highlights the incredible effort behind resource extraction. Stay tuned for more exciting footage of heavy equipment in action. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational, professional, and powerful mining stories. Welcome to another incredible chapter in the world of heavy machinery. Today, we present something truly legendary. Power meets precision, featuring the Caterpillar 245B Excavator. This machine is not just an excavator. It's a living testament to engineering excellence, endurance, and the strength of human innovation. With over 120,000 working hours, this old hero continues to move mountains, literally. In a world where most machines retire long before reaching such milestones, the Caterpillar 245B remains a powerhouse, tackling the tough task of loading overburden with grace and authority. What you are about to witness is not just mining. It's history in motion, a tribute to a machine that has served tirelessly for decades. The Caterpillar 245B Excavator is one of the most iconic models ever produced by Caterpillar. Built during a time when machines were designed with simplicity, durability, and raw strength, the 245B quickly became a favorite across mining, quarrying, and large-scale earth-moving projects. Its robust steel frame, hydraulic system, and unmatched digging power made it an essential tool for handling the heaviest loads. Even after decades of operation, many units are still in use worldwide, a testament to Caterpillar's commitment to quality. Reaching over 120,000 working hours is no small achievement. For perspective, that's equivalent to working 24 hours a day for nearly 14 years straight. Most modern machines with advanced electronics and sensors rarely reach half of this lifespan without major overhauls. This legendary 245B, however, continues to operate reliably in demanding mining conditions. Each swing of its massive boom, each scoop of earth, and every load of overburden it lifts represents decades of resilience and thousands of stories embedded in its metal frame. Operating weight around 56,000 kilograms, over 120,000 pounds. Engine power roughly 345 horsepower. Bucket capacity. Depending on configuration, 2.5 to 4.5 cubic meters. Digging depth approximately 9 meters. Hydraulics. Built for heavy-duty endurance, offering precision even under extreme stress. Unlike today's electronically optimized excavators, the 245B relies on a more mechanical, straightforward system, making it easier to maintain, repair, and keep running for decades. Behind every great machine is a team of operators and mechanics who treat it with care. The 245B you see here has been passed down through generations of workers. Each operator has left their mark on it, whether through skillful handling, routine maintenance, or simply keeping it alive in the toughest of jobs. To miners and construction crews, this excavator is more than a tool. It's a partner, a reliable companion that has helped build roads, dig mines, and fuel industries.